If you want to boost bass on Redmi Buds 6, then I'm going to show you how you can do this automatically by using the default preset, but also manually by selecting custom one and set it up. So you have to go into audio effects, and let's start by switching to the custom one, and let's reset to the default one. Let's clear the parameters. And first of all, we have to focus on 150 Hertz, and we have to actually put it definitely higher for 5. Another one 85, so also we can put it into the 5, and also you can slightly reduce the mid, so this one like -1 for example, and this one for -1 or -2, and you can also do the same with this one with 8K a little bit. And then you can just start playing sound and tell me what you think about the custom one. And here you can also do this with enhanced bass by selecting the default preset. So that's how it actually looks.